This is the Vespa GTS 300. Now, nice little thing these have got on the fob. You've got a little location on there. If you want to find it, press the button. It'll flash the lights to locate it for you. Just a nice little feature they have with these. As you can see, it's in black. It's a 2018 model. Now it also has on this, it's got the automatic locking for the seat, so you can lift your seat up there. Plenty of room for storage in there. That's where you fill it up as well. As you can see, it's a very clean bike, this, for its age. One thing you do notice on this model, you notice on the disc there, on the inside of the disc, that's the ABS. So it does have anti-lock brakes on this, the ABS system on it. As you can see, it is very, very clean. Very clean scooter. It's got an aftermarket exhaust there. The carbon fibre. There is a little scuff on the edge of the carbon fibre there, but only cosmetic on there. It's also got this big box at the back, which is big enough to store your helmet in. Let's keep it out of the rain. There you go. So lots of space, lots of storage space on this. As you can see, very good tyres on it. Engine very clean and tidy. Now there is, as you can see on there, there is the two keys there, plus you've got your other keys as well. Let's start it up. Mileage on there, as you can see, is 2,163 miles. It is a very nice looking scooter. LED running lights on the side as well. As with all our bikes, there is a free delivery service as well that is available. So there you go, the Vespa GTS 300.